Hey guys, stick around to close to the end of this video if you want to see the diamond painting put together. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm happy to have you. Today I am doing a unboxing or unbagging for a company called Onedaysaving. They approached me and they asked me if I wanted to sample a few of their products. And I love trying new things, so today it's going to be a diamond painting. Yes. And it came like this, but the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this one they give me. Pen shape blade utility knife diamond painting paper ceramic cutter. It was $2.99 at the time that they sent it to me. Move this out of the way a second. This was the pen-shaped blade utility knife, diamond painting, paper ceramic cutter, and it was $2.99 at the time. And I wanted to show you, it's got that little pointy thing right there. And it's supposed to not cut you, but since I have diabetes, I'm not going to try it. Focus. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to just use some paper and see what it does. I think what it's supposed to do is use it for the diamond painting, but you know, since I only have one because I've never done a diamond painting before and I haven't used the pen, I think I will wait on that and probably use it for paper crafts or something. But it cuts all the way, almost all the way through, so you know, it might work just fine for that, but I'd have to do more research. So that is the pen-shaped blade utility knife diamond painting paper ceramic cutter. Okay, now we're gonna open the diamond painting. And before I do, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about Onedaysaving. Onedaysaving has diamond paintings, cross stitch, paint by number, handicrafts and tools such as washi tape, sealers, diamond painting, drill pins, frames to hold your paintings, and a whole lot more. So go check out onedaysavings.com and see if you find something you like. They also do customized photos, and I'm going to show you just a little bit right here about their website. And this diamond painting that I chose, it is The Nightmare Before Christmas, Jack. My daughter is a big fan of Jack Skellington, and this is for her birthday. So that's why I chose this one. This is supposed to be A diamond painting, full round Halloween skeleton, 5D DIY full drill diamond painting. So it's the type round. And let me see. I don't know. It's a little hard to see it. Let's see if we get up close here so you can see how it is. I've never done a diamond painting before. It's a size 30 times 40 centimeter. And it says 11.81 times 15.75 inches maybe? I'm not sure. It does not come with a frame. I'm checking my notes here, y'all. What comes with it is a one-time diamond cloth, one set of diamond drawing tool, I guess that's this, the magic cube diamonds, the pin, speed up plate, and mud. I guess that's that waxy stuff. Like I said, I've never done a diamond painting, so that's why I chose to do this promotion for this company. Okay, we'll leave that there. It comes with all the drills. Ooh, it's got some pretty drills. I know it's a little bright, I'm sorry, but it's really dark and gloomy today. It's warm, but it's cloudy, so I'm having to use lights, so I'm sorry about that. You know, I will take out a few and let you see them. Ooh, they're tiny. So that's what they look like. And we have all colors that go with Jack, of course. Okay. So we have the black, and that looks like a gray, a yellow, a orange. Looks like some more kind of dark gray. Purple. Maybe some type of off-white. That kind of looks like a dark blue. And another off-white type. And that one's brown. Cream color. Greenish looking. Darker green. And really dark green. And really dark pink or red. Yellowish. And another gray. So it comes with a whole bunch of these. So guys, oh, I lost one, a little black one, so I'll have to put that back in the bag. So that's what it looks like. It's a fairly good, decent size. Everyone says check the stickiness. It's rather sticky. Like I said, I've never done one of these paintings before, so it's going to be interesting. So, One Day Savings, I want to thank you for sending me this diamond painting and the tools and this lovely ceramic pen. And everybody go check out One Day Savings. And as you saw in the short video that I did, they have all kinds of wonderful, wonderful things for sale there, and they're rather cheap. Okay guys, I'm almost done. And for those that have never done a diamond painting and are a little nervous about it like I was, don't be afraid. It is so much fun and it is real easy. That one there, it's on its back. You do not pick it up that way. You pick it up by the circle. And I've got just these right here left. So let's see if we can get it closer. And you got that little bit of wax on it. Focus. It doesn't like to focus. Anyway, you just take and get a little wax on it, and that's how you pick it up. And see if it'll focus. See how it is? And you just press it down onto the stickiness. One more, guys. Yay! Oh no, I missed one right there. See, you can miss one. Oh, I didn't get one. There. Now it's all finished. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on the website, and then I'll show you the finished product here. I'll zoom back out. And here is my finished product that me and my daughter did. Yes, it took us about 11 hours, but we took a lot of breaks. And she said her hand hurt some, but my shoulder was all hurt on mine. So here you go. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. I'll get a little bit closer. I don't care too much for the pumpkins, but that's what they turned out to look like. So that is the diamond painting from Onedaysaving. And I forgot to show you this at the beginning. Y'all, the little baggies are numbered. And most of this painting was number 3. Which if you go to number 3, over from it is A. And that was what I did. And you saw the A there at the end. And I had quite a few of these left. So I guess I could do something else with them. But that is the diamond painting of Mr. Jack Skeleton. I think that's what his name is. Skeleton. You know who I'm talking about. So thank you, Onedaysaving. And now I'm hooked on diamond painting. I hope everyone has a great day. Be safe out there. Blessed be y'all. Bye. Check them out. Onedaysaving. I forgot to say, guys, I will be sealing it with gloss Mod Podge so it will stay shiny. That's just a tip that I heard about.